Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you this recipe which is very traditional for Christmas time in Germany, but I've never tried to do something like this before and I was actually quite surprised how well it turned out. So I hope you stay tuned and give this recipe a chance. You want to start out by cutting down this, we call it citronade. It's like candied lemon peel. Then you want to take some sugar in a bowl and you want to add your eggs to that. And then you want to mix until you get a nice fluffy creamy texture. Just like that. Next up, you want to go ahead and add the almonds as well as some lemon flavor, cinnamon, this is cardamom and cloves, and I added a little bit more cinnamon because it's just me. Then you want to give this a good mix so it's all completely combined. Then you want to add this lemon peel. And again, give it a good mix. Then you want to add some water in which you dissolve the potash. And mix that in really well. And now last but not least, you want to add in your flour. And then knead that into a dough. Then you want to roll it out into a square shape, and you don't want to make it too thin. Next, you want to cut down your chocolate into very, very tiny pieces. And then you want to take a bowl where you add the ingredients for the filling. So here you can see the lemon peel and the chocolate, and the sugar, the raisins and the almonds are already in there. Then you want to add a little bit of water and give that a good mix. Then you want to cut down your dough into two pieces that are the same size. And you want to put the first half onto a baking sheet with some baking paper. You want to pour in the filling and try to distribute it very, very evenly. And then you want to put the second layer on top. And you want to leave a little bit of room at the sides. So you can now go ahead and close this off so the filling is really inside of the dough. And then you want to bake with 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. And when it is out of the oven, you can go ahead and cut it into squares. Then you want to take some powdered sugar in a bowl. You want to add some water, and if you want to, you can also add some kind of rum or anything like that to give it a little bit more taste. And you want to achieve a nice creamy texture with that. So just keep adding a little bit of water till you have the perfect texture. And then you can brush that onto your little gingerbreads. So when they're dried down, you can enjoy them. And that's basically it. So this is a recipe that is quite stressful, but it tasted really, really good. And as I said, I've never tried to do these before. So this was a fun experience and I hope you give them a try. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.